Start.
I am Jenny. I am 7 years old. My favorite is food is fish. My favorite color is red. My favorite is red. Rose.
My favorite flower is
My favorite
flower.
flower is rose. My favorite is fruit is fruit is banana. My favorite animals lion. Thank you.